All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Dice Media TV. It's been a while. I told you that I'll be giving you the update of this airdrop, but I wasn't feeling well. That's why. So sorry for that. Those on the WhatsApp platform, you have been getting that update always. So if you want to join us on WhatsApp, I'll be leaving the WhatsApp referral link in the description box. So you can also join us there. All right, so today I'm going to teach you how to get 100,000 AIT, which is equivalent to $138. So I'll be leaving the referral link, the both referral link in the description box. So sorry, I'm having some catarrh, so sorry for that. So when you tap the link in the description box, those on YouTube, it will redirect you to Telegram bots, our Telegram bot like this. So what you have to do is to go to start. When you go to start, they will ask you to join these channels. So AIT trader. All right, so I've joined already. All right, kindly exercise me. So this one I've joined already. Then you join this one to join that one. All right, so you go to join. You go back to the main one. Then you join. All right, so it says the members had been exceeded, so you go to the second one. All right, so that one to have joined, but if you haven't joined, you'll be seeing some join under it. Then you join, so you go back, then you go to, they say submit your Telegram username. So mine is at senior boss. All right, then you submit. All right, so it says please visit following links to understand AIT project. And so what you have to do is to go to next. After going to next, they will ask you to follow them on Twitter. All right, so you'll go to Twitter. So you open your Twitter account, then you follow them. So after following them, I had already followed them. So let me teach you this, then we continue. Sorry, there is a pressure on my phone, so kindly exercise patience. All right, so there's it. What you have to do now is to follow them on their Twitter channel. All right, so there's it. You have to follow. You be seeing follow here where the follow is, so you are going to follow their channel. All right, so before that, I want to look something here. All right, let's wait for the loading page to load. All right, so you have to follow, then you go to the next one. It says I think it says like and follow. Sorry, let me check from the Telegram bot. It says like, retweet the pinned tweet, comment, and at your friends. Okay, then like and retweet the second tweet, then send your retweet link. Okay, so you come back, then this is the pinned tweet. So you have to like, sorry, this is retweet, then you like, then it says we have to, so this is the retweet. We are done with the retweet. So you can comment any comment, but what you have to do now is go to the share button here, and then you go to share, then you copy the link. So you go to copy link, all right, so copy to clipboard, then you come back to your Telegram bot. So it says send your retweet link. So we are going to paste our retweet link. All right, so there's it. Then you enter your username here, your username. So mine is God of Hope 5. All right, so God of Hope 5. Then you are done, then you submit. All right, so they will ask you to send in your MetaMask or Trust Wallet or Token Pocket and etc. BEP20 address. So I'm going to teach you the what they call it, the wallet own. We have the Bitkeep. Those on my WhatsApp. The first one that I do, which is solar, was the Bitkeep, but later they open it on Trust. So I'm doing the video on Trust Wallet for you. So I'm going to Trust Wallet. All right, so you can see that it says please don't use Bitkeep wallet. Many users report the wallet has their token. If you use crypto in your Bitkeep wallet, please transfer them as possible. All right, so that's going to use the trust. That's why I kept delay. That's why I kept it delay. Let me give you a screenshot. All right, so what you are going to do now to Trust Wallet to get what they call it. Uh, uh, our contract address. Sorry. So I'm going to the Trust Wallet to copy the BEP20 address. So after this, I will teach you how to add your contract address. All right. So when you come to your Trust Wallet, you have to go to add tokens or the symbol on top here. So when you go to add tokens, then you go to the plus on top here. Sorry, you just copy your BEP20 address first. I will be leaving the referral there. So I'm going to teach you how to add the AIT. So just look at it. So when you copy the contract address that I'll be leaving in the description box, or when you write it down, then you paste it here. You have to select the network as BNB Smart Chain. BNB Smart Chain. Then you paste in the address, or you type in the address that I'll be leaving in the description box. You'll be seeing that everything will be filled automatically. Then you go to save. So when you go to save, you'll be seeing that everything is done automatically. You'll be seeing that the amount is being sent. So I'm going to copy this one first. So you go to receive, then you copy, then you go back, then you go and what, submit it. So it says paste, then you submit. All right, so it says not withdrawable. So I have 100,000 AIT which hasn't been what, withdrawn. When you refer one person, you are going to get 30,000. So this is my contract address and everything. So I'll be leaving the contract address. So right now you can what, withdraw. It's not compulsory for you to what, get referrals. It's not compulsory for you to get referrals. So when you go to referral, you'll be getting your referral link there. So let me check that if I will get their contract address here so that you can get what I'm saying. AIT Finance. Maybe I'll get their details here. If I didn't get it here, I'll make sure I'll get it for you in the description box. Kindly exercise patience. This one I won't get the time to edit it, so you just get the time to follow everything. I won't get the time to edit this video, so everything can happen on this video. Accept so it will also, the video will also belong for you, so you just kindly get heart for me, okay? And nowadays I don't get chance, so if I get time to do a video, take it like that. So as the site is opening, all right, so it seems I'll get their contract address here. Let me get all right, so this is their contract address, so I'll be leaving this contract address in the description box. All right, so it says copied address. If I can copy, okay, so the address is being copied. All right, so you just copy. So let me go back to the Telegram bot. So I want to withdraw for you to see. So I'm going to withdraw the amount, which is the 100,000 AIT. So when you go to withdraw, they will ask you how much do you want to withdraw. So you need to refer at least 2 more users to eligible for withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is 60,000. All right, so you let me try and see. At first they were allowing us to withdraw the 100,000 for free. Okay, so you have to withdraw 2 or more people for you to be able to withdraw. So that's it. So I'm going to add the AIT as I said I did it earlier on the Trust Wallet for you, so that you can get the concept. So after that, you get 2 people, then you withdraw all the 160,000 IT, almost 2,000 Ghana cedis. So right now I'm going to add it. So when you go to your Trust Wallet, I'll be leaving this thing inside there. So this is their contract address. You see if copied. So you can go to the plus on top here, then you select the network to be BNB, then you go to paste. So everything will fill automatically as I said earlier. Then you go to save. So there's it. Everything is done. So you just go to receive. The contract address that I copied from BNB and this are all the same. They are all the same. So as you can see, everything is the same. So Thank you very much for being with Ice Media.